In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this BMW 550i. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Take that out, grab the wheel, and slide it off. I'm going to use an 18mm socket, take this nut off. Comes right off. Using an 18mm wrench, we're going to loosen this nut. In the center, I'm going to use a T40 socket, just holding it with a wrench, just so I can get in there. There, and just loosen this up. That's good. I'm just going to switch to a ratchet wrench. And take that nut off, grab the link, slide it out, there it is. Now take the new link, slide that in up top, get that position down below. Take the nut, get the nut started. We can get the nut started below as well. Use an 18mm ratchet wrench. Is that on there? There we go. Start tightening that down. And there's a 5mm hex socket. Put that through the stud to prevent the stud from spinning. Snug that down. I'll tighten the bottom one as well. Same 18mm ratchet wrench, 5mm hex. Snug that down. Now we're going to torque this nut to 47 foot-pounds. I'll do the same on the bottom one. That's good. Now put the wheel on. Get the hole lined up. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Snug that down. Take the other lug bolts, get those started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 98 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.